Welcome to the Voiceware Tips and Tricks series. In this video, we're going to look at the Nagios monitoring system. Nagios is a software monitoring tool that can be used to monitor servers, firewalls, or almost any other IP device. PhoneSuite uses Nagios to monitor Voiceware systems and connected devices. There are two core types of things that Nagios will monitor: hosts and services. Hosts are the Voiceware servers themselves. Services are sub-processes running on the Voiceware server. These include PSIP PMS, RAM usage, or SIP trunk status, just to name a few. Anytime Nagios detects a problem with a host or service, it will notify the reseller by email. If Nagios sends you an email that a host is down, then the Voiceware server itself is either offline or disconnected from the internet. Because each Voiceware system sends checks to Nagios, a system disconnected from the internet will look the same as a system that's been powered off. A service alert is normally less critical but must still be acted upon. For example, if you receive a service alert that PSIP PMS is no longer communicating with the property management system, then the hotel should at a minimum be notified. Ideally, a reseller should log into the system and see if any problems can be corrected. If not, the hotel management should be brought into the loop so a resolution can be found. If you receive a service alert email but are unsure what to do, please check the email for links to help documentation. This document will describe what each service is and how to correct problems with the service. You can also contact PhoneSuite's tech support for help fixing the service problem. Both host and service alerts will continue to send email reminders about once an hour until the problem is either resolved or acknowledged. To acknowledge a problem, either click the link in the email or click the Acknowledge this problem link from within Nagios. This link can be seen by clicking the host name for the host problem or the service name for the service problem. Acknowledging a problem will stop all email reminders and remove the issue from the unresolved issues list. Any Nagios user can also configure how the system alerts them and even set up times of day when they will not receive emails. For example, a reseller can configure their account so that Nagios only sends host alerts as text messages to their cell phones and all other alerts as email. To configure this, log into Nagios and click your account name at the top right. Next, click on Notification Preferences. From there, you can set what types of alerts you will receive by email, by text message, and the time of day alerts are sent. Also, email or text notifications can be enabled or disabled from the Notifications Method link. As a Nagios user, you have full control over what types of alerts are sent via email or text, and at what times of day, and at what days of the week alerts are sent. Lastly, from the user's account page, there is a link in the upper left titled Rerun Nagios XI Tour. Clicking this link will begin a tour of Nagios that highlights some of the more important features and capabilities of the system. We hope you take the time to familiarize yourself with Nagios and to set up alerts in such a way to be useful to you and your customers. Nagios is a powerful tool, and when used properly, can aid a reseller in offering a level of service that is unmatched. Thank you for taking the time to watch the Nagios Tips and Tricks video, and don't forget to check out the other videos in this series, all available on our YouTube page.